They told me not to ask questions, only to draw. The woman arrived every night at exactly 9. No photographs, no mirrors. Draw only what you remember, they said. At first, it was easy. I erased a line, then I drew it again. The lines were clean, the shading was soft. But after the third night, I could no longer remember her eyes. Each line I added made her quieter. On the 7th night, she stood behind me and whispered, "When you finish the last line, I will disappear." My hand was shaking. In the morning, the chair was empty. But the portrait was watching me.